for Christmas break.
Yep.
Okay, so here's the first problem we're going to look at. 20 times 3 divided by 4. 20 times 3 divided by 4. Okay. And the first thing I want you to remind yourself is that you can always write a number as a fraction, 20 over 1. I hope you saw that in class. That's kind of critical here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what's interesting, and I think this is useful here, is that the order that you multiply does not matter. Order does not matter. Sometimes it does. Okay. So what I mean by that is you can really visualize this as the 4 being under the 20 and the 3 and the 1 being under the 3. Do you see how I just switched those?
Mm-hmm.
Now, why would I do that? Well, if you notice, 20 can be divided by 4. What is 20 divided by 4?
5.
5. So this right here, this part right here becomes 5 times 3. Now you can write it as 3 over 1, but you don't need to, because when anything over 1 is just itself, what is 5 times 3?
15.
15. Yeah. So we're going to look at that approach here in the second problem that you've sent over here, number 2. Actually, I'll just type it in or write it in here. Do you have these notes down for this problem?
Yeah.
Okay. So now for this next problem, it's 14 times 2 divided by 7. So just like in the previous problem, you can divide by 1. Okay. But instead of doing this, you can switch the order. You can swap them. So you can actually write 14 over 7 times 2 over 1.
Yeah. So 2 times 2.
Well, yeah, this 14 over 7 becomes 2. 2 times 2 becomes 4. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try another one. You have a question on that?
No.
Okay, so let me give you one here to try. Let's say it's 16 times 3/4. Can you try this one on your own, please?
Yeah. $12.
Yes, the answer is 12. Very good. Okay. Does this does this seem reasonable? Like, do you feel like, okay, I got it, I understand it?
Yeah, seems pretty easy.
Yeah. Okay. Now here's number 3. I want you to work on this one on your own. 10 times 1/5. Go ahead and work on that.
It's 2.
It's 2. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. So now let's look at another problem here. Let's actually look at number 5 next. We'll come back to 4. So 5 is 2/5 times 11. Okay, now this time, even if you try to like switch the order here and make it like 2 over 1 times 11 over 5, even if you switch them, that doesn't help because 5 doesn't go into.
But 1 does.
Yeah. So the issue here is that you now have to multiply the tops 2 times 11 and the bottom 1 times 5. So you sometimes you just multiply the top and you multiply the bottom. So this is the final answer. Like
Yeah,
there's
I got
nothing,
it.
there's nothing more you can do though. So sometimes you can't do anything. So here's another example. Try here. What is 3/7 times 8?
Um, it's just, wait, hold up. 24 over 21.
Well, on the bottom is a 1. Why is there a 1
Wait,
on the
no,
bottom?
no, no, not 21.
So
Oh, 56
no,
over.
you multiply, Mason, you multiply the tops. 3 times 8, 7 times 1.
Oh, oopsies, I missed that. 7 over 20. No, 700.
Mason, you just have to multiply 3 times 8. What is 3 times 8?
Oh my God, I keep on getting mixed up. 24.
24. What is 7 times 1?
7.
Okay. Let's try another one. All right, so I want you to try this one.
Oh. $45 over 8.
Yeah,
I messed up on the other.
that's okay. All right, so now we're going to go back and we're going to do number 4 because it's a little bit different here. So we're going to go look at number 4. Number 4 says 3/4 times 6. Okay. And you can write 6 as 6 over 1. Now the general strategy is to multiply the top and to multiply the bottom, just like we've been doing. What is 3 times 6?
Oopsies, sorry. 18.
What's 4 times 1?
4. 4.
4. And you might think, hey, I'm done. I feel good about this. You do need to simplify the fraction.
5.
I'm sorry?
2. By 2.
Yes. 2 goes into both. So you can divide both numbers by 2. And what is the result?
It's whoopsies, I missed something. It's 2 9.
9 over 2.
9 over 2. 9
9
over
over
2.
2. The order matters when you're dividing. Okay, let's try number 6. So number 6 is 1/4 times 6. You can write 6 as a fraction. How can you write this second number as a fraction?
Huh? Oh,
Ha-
6 over 1.
6 over 1. Yeah, very good. You can always write anything over 1 to make it a fraction. So now
The answer's
go ahead.
the answer's kind of just like you don't really have to multiply much. You just have to bring the 4 over, and it's 6 over 4.
Okay, can you reduce this?
You can reduce it by 2.
Divide both sides by top and bottom by 2, and what does that become?
It's 3 over 2.
Good. Great. Now let me give you another problem to try here for practice. Let's go 5/8 times 6. Yeah, let's do that one. 5/8 times 6.
Oh, okay. $30 over 8.
Okay, can you reduce
And then
that?
if you simplify it,
Yes. You can divide the top and bottom by
2, yeah.
2.
You always start with 2, and then it's 15 over, oh, wait, 4.
Very good.
And then you can simplify, no, you can't.
Let's try one more before we move on to something else. What is 16 over 9 times 3/4?
Then no. It's kind of difficult.
Remember, what are you,
Well, I mean, it's not too difficult, but it's just,
remember, you can switch the order of these.
oh, yeah.
Wouldn't that
Okay.
help here?
Yeah.
Now you could multiply, but sometimes it's better to switch the order first.
3 times 36 under and
Hang on, Mason. What did we do in the previous problems? How did we reduce this first fraction?
we divide by 2.
Let's go back and look.
Wait.
Okay, remember how we would switch the order here and put the 7 underneath?
Yeah.
And we would divide it and get 2.
Oh, yeah.
So you can act,
Oh,
so that's what I meant by down here, like it might be better to divide first.
12 over 9.
Yes, but does that reduce?
Yeah, it reduces by 3.
Yes, divide both
So
by 3.
4 over 3.
Good. Okay, very good. Let's look at one of these story problems here at the bottom of the
Let's
page.
do 7.
Yeah, we'll get them both in here. But I wanted to make sure you understood how to do the topic rather than just rushing through it. Okay, it says, actually, could you read this for us?
So the male Cuban tree frog is about 2/5 the size of a female Cuban tree frog. The average size of the female Cuban tree frog is shown at the right. What is the size of the male Cuban tree frog?
Okay, good job. Now, are there any words in there that you do not understand?
No.
Okay, so it says the male Cuban tree frog is about 2/5 the size of the female tree frog. So is the male bigger or smaller than the female?
He is smaller.
Smaller, yeah. So we're going to take this 2/5 and multiply by 6
Hold up.
because 6 is the length of the female Cuban tree frog on the right.
Sorry.
No problem. Can you simplify this for us?
Yeah. So it's 12 over 5.
Yeah,
And then you cannot reduce it.
cannot reduce that. Now, you do need to divide it though. I don't know if we've done this before, but 5 goes into 12 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. You subtract, bring the 0 down. 2 goes into 24 times. So it's 2.4 inches is the length of the tree frog.
That's what I got.
Okay, very good. All right, now the next question. Oh, we got a couple more questions here. All right, we better move a little faster. Do you have to do all of these?
I mean, we're doing them in class tomorrow,
Oh, okay.
so
So
I
we
can
don't.
finish it up in class.
Okay, let's do number 8 next. I didn't realize there were so many problems on this page, but that's okay. The Mississippi River is the second longest river in the United States, second only to the Missouri River. The Mississippi River is about 23/25 the length of the Missouri River. If the Missouri River is 2,540 miles long, how long is the Mississippi River? So you're going to multiply these two numbers
Excuse
together.
me.
Yes.
So I can read this one to you on the back. I forgot to send you. I'll just read it to you and then we can do it. It's basically the same thing that we're doing right now, but it's a little easier.
Okay. Would you like
Okay,
us to finish this problem or
yeah,
go
let's
on to?
finish up this one. Let's finish.
Okay, so this one, I don't know how they expect you to do this by hand. I do think you would need a calculator. Has that been discussed in class?
No,
Okay, well, that's a bit more work. So you have to take 23 and multiply by 2,540.
yeah, I'll do that right now. Our teacher's strict and I don't like her.
It's good to be able to do this by hand, but sometimes the numbers don't work out nicely.
Mhm. Seven, 7,000. Okay, 0, 2, 0, 8, 9, 2, 4. Okay. Can you check this on the calculator just in case?
Yeah, the answer is 5,000 or 58,420.
58,100. Yep, got it right.
Okay, now we have to do more though. We have to divide that by 25. So that's where this gets into territory of like,
Yeah, that's
man,
fine. I'm
it's a
gonna do it right
lot.
now.
It's a long problem here.
I just need this space.
Yeah, the yet
So
another issue, you don't have enough room to be able to work it out.
I'll just like write it really small. Divided by what again?
25, this
Okay.
number on the bottom here.
Nine, not a 2, 3, 75. Um, 90. 2, 1, 17, 1,700. No, 170. Yeah, I don't have enough space.
Yeah, it's a
What
lot
I've
here.
gotten so far is
Well, go ahead.
200, no, 2,330.
Nope, it's 7. Next one is 7. Because you're trying to figure out how many times it goes into 192.
Oh, yeah, 19. Oops. Wait, what? Where'd you get the one? Where'd you get the 19?
58 minus 50 is 8. Bring down the 4,
Yeah, but
84.
like when you minus 75 minus.
Oh, you know what? You're right. It is a 3. I I did make the mistake there. Good catch on that.
Yeah, it's like, how do you get
Yeah,
19?
no, it's 9. Yeah, so that actually changes this quite a bit, but the rest of it is surprisingly correct, which
Yeah,
bothers me.
I didn't have enough space, but yeah, I got 6, but like I didn't have enough space.
Yeah, so then it's 150 and you subtract. Yeah, okay. Well, this will be in your notes when I send it to you here shortly. So we are really close to being out of time.
The last one's easy. I'll just read it to you and you can see if we can do it in time.
Okay, go ahead and read it, please.
Okay. Refer to the table in exercise 11. Suppose in the 6th grade, 3/4 of the student want a career in either teaching STEM. How many sixth grade students did not choose a career in teaching or STEM?
I would probably have to see the table to be able to help you with this one.
There isn't.
It says referred, you said in question 11.
Oh, exercise 11. So
Yeah,
11. Oh, yeah, it's true. Okay, I guess not then.
okay, let's yeah, we're gonna have to end here. The time goes quick for these half-hour
Okay,
lessons, but
thank you.
yeah, great job tonight. I'll send you the notes here shortly and I'll see you next on Thursday maybe.
Okay,
Okay,
goodbye. No,
bye.
and actually not Thursday because.
Remy's gonna be taking it. All right, good to know.
Oh, yeah, okay, bye.